Hello everyone. Well, today we are going to learn about distribution timing of old cars. So if you own an old car and if your car struggles to pull up uphill, if your car does not do well uphill, then it's the problem with your distribution timing. So here, this is the distribution timing, and we have, let's see how we can adjust it. Well, first of all, it's very important that you don't mess with the distribution timing until and unless you know what you are doing. I too faced a lot of problems in the beginning where my car would not accelerate uphill, especially when the engine was cold or too hot. And then I took my car to the mechanic, who took out everything, the engine and everything, all the wirings, and fixed them back. But the problem still persisted, and then it just cost me a lot of money. Later on, after a couple of trial and errors, I fixed it myself. First of all, place your gear in neutral, keep it in neutral, and then turn on the ignition. So after this, keep your engine running. We got the engine running. Make sure you don't turn off the engine while you do this work, and please do not take it out or do any changes when the engine is turned on. So we are doing it whenever the engine is turned on. And let's check the acceleration here. Okay, there's no problem here. So make sure this wire, this tray is not very loose or very tight. It should be in the right tension, not very loose or not very tight. If it's very tight, then the accelerator is already pressed and it can consume more fuel and heat up your engine and damage your battery. So if you have problem with the acceleration uphill, especially in the morning, early morning, when the engine is cold and when the engine is very heated, then when you press this acceleration, there wouldn't be any sound. There wouldn't be any sound when you accelerate the car. So in this case, we have to adjust this distribution point. Make sure the acceleration here is not very sensitive or not very kind of insensitive. So it should be sensitive to the correct form. And the point here, the screw here, I have placed this distribution in the middle, and the acceleration is working quite this one. So in case if you have a problem, then how do you do it? Take a range 12 mm I have got here for this screw, and here's the screw. So I'm going to loosen this screw. Rotate this slowly. So if here you can see what happens. So here the engine is running low and about to shut down, and keep it in the middle somewhere. Let's check here. Here the acceleration is very high. Check out. So let me press a little bit. If your acceleration is low here, then this thing wouldn't be working in the morning, or if your engine is very heated up. And then what we can do is we can place this thing in the middle, right in the middle, right. And we'll hit here. Let's tighten this thing. So this is how you adjust slowly, and then set the acceleration.